Alright, this isn't technically the first startup of it, but yeah, put this Whirlpool in the window. Finally had enough of the heat, and the central AC just doesn't do the job up here. So I've decided to put this in the window. We're going to see how well the free air conditioner works. Seems to have a bit of a rough startup, and it's spitting out old crap. Granted, it was just on for a good couple minutes before I decided to make the video, but there it goes. Honestly, it seems to do pretty good. Here's your information. It's the same one I found last year. It's from '97. Seems to work pretty good. I don't know why they threw it out. I love free stuff. But yeah, there you go. There's the startup of the Whirlpool air conditioner for 2022. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.